Alright guys, got another short little video for you here. My new lathe chuck and backing plate came in, so ended up going with the Vevor. This is the 8-inch 3-jaw, and it's the CME backing plate. So it's set up for the Craftsman Atlas lathe with the threaded spindle. It's 1.5 by 8 the thread, so it's all set up. Just checking the runout. It's pretty spot on. Just had to rotate it once on the holes. It was like 2.5, 3,000 out. The first spot I had it bolted together, but I just threw it back in here like this, took the bolts out, clocked it, third turn, and spinning. Like I said, spinning pretty much perfect now. For the price of this 3-jaw, I'm pretty happy with that. Not really sure where this thing's actually manufactured or anything, but we'll see how it holds up down the road. But so I just wanted to give you a little update. Just about ready to start making those mandrels. Now that chuck should have no problem holding those round stocks. And like I said, I'm just still waiting on the one more bushing for my change gears. Can run the power feed. But that's all. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.